sirens! Yay! I love sirens. Sorry, we were having a big storm. There's still lightning. It's not raining very hard right now. I keep hearing sirens and like I was in my house, minding my business, and then just kept hearing siren after siren after siren after siren. Oh fuck! Huge lightning strike just went across the sky. God dang it, I missed it. Anyway, I kept hearing siren after siren after siren, and I couldn't control myself anymore. It was like an impulse, and I just couldn't handle it anymore. Like, I could handle, like, a couple of sirens. I could stay put and be like, okay, let them go. You got this. But then more and more and more and more, I'm like, can't handle it anymore. Shit. Alright, I'm just gonna film up here. I just saw another lightning strike. Alright, we're gonna do a lightning strike video with some sirens in the background. Hope we get some more lightning strikes. Yeah, there's so many freaking sirens going off right now. It's insanity. There was a little bit. It's hard to film through. Sorry, I'm filming through my dirty windshield with raindrops on it, but might work out for us. Yeah, there was like a lot of wind, a lot of hail, a lot of trees down, probably some accidents, houses got struck by lightning. So, it's been pretty exciting today. Yeah, did you see that, guys? Whoa! Was in the bottom left corner of the screen, right above the trees. Kapow! It was like kind of shooted across the sky. It's like going, it's not going sky to ground, it's going across. This is some cool ass shit. I might have to go find a more open place to film the sky. Without all the trees, but too bad my camera doesn't have any wider of a lens. I could get a better sky view, but wow! Did you guys see that one? Right above, I was gonna point at the camera, like you could see that. Right there, above those, right there. Right above where those things are, the power lines. Just a minute ago, when I yelled. Whoa, shit. I'm sorry, I was zooming out. I didn't realize I zoomed in that much. There we go. Now we got a little bit more view. What's that on my window? Ooh, there goes another one. Can you film it down a little bit? Oh, I got so much to do today. Wow! Oh my gosh. Happy right now. I'm so happy right now. I love lightning. Two of my favorite things. Sirens and lightning. All in the same video. Life could not get any better. Seriously, could not get any better than it is right now. Oh my Okay, this is gonna officially be my favorite video I've ever done in my entire life. Until the next one, when I say the exact same thing. I'm pretty sure I remember saying that a lot. But definitely right now, this is my favoriteest one ever. Sirens and lightning, two of my favorite things. And I've gotten so many lightnings in this one. Usually my videos, I'm like, I'll be filming like for so long, my arms are numb and in pain, or one or the other. And I get like maybe one lightning every 5 to 7 minutes if I'm lucky. And this time I'm just getting lightning after lightning. Ooh, hold on. We'll get the fire truck. Bye, fire truck. Have a good night, guys. There's some more sirens still. Okay, back to the sky. Let's do a couple more minutes. Then I'm gotta do a couple things today. Then I might. Holy shit! Alright, I might just sit here all day. I don't even know. Might just sit here all day. It's a pretty good spot. Getting all the good stuff. Dang. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, this is great. So happy right now. Whoop, something was in the background. A little bit of lightning over there. I don't know where to point the camera. Is it coming down? It might be coming down. Nope. Yes! Oh, good times, guys, good times. Oh, that's good. So happy. Crap, I have a feeling I'm gonna be here a while. Shit. Oh. Dang it. Whoa! Oh, man. Whoa, cool! Shit. Still trying to find the best angle. Shit. Yeah! That was so cool! Okay, one more good one and then I'm gonna go off on my adventure. And then I'll probably film some more lightning for likes. Hold on, sirens. Hold on. Sirens, hold on. Sorry, there's gonna be some dinging, I think. Oh, and that noise. More sirens. Let's go, bitches. Sorry. So sorry about my windshield wipers. They're so squeaky. So sorry. So sorry. Let me turn them off. Let's go, bitches. FYI, my camera batteries are almost dead, so there's that. I got more batteries. Don't worry. I should probably stop this. Holy fuck! God, I'm sorry, I was looking down, but please tell me I caught that on camera. Oh my god, that was a good one. I swear I just heard more sirens, though. Hold on, guys. I hate to turn because the lightning is straight ahead. This is gonna suck. Hold on. Let me figure this out. Alright. So I kind of just want to film the lightning, but I thought I heard more sirens. And I do gotta change my batteries out pretty soon. I don't know if you want to watch this driving part. It's probably gonna be kind of shitty because I'm holding this camera and the steering wheel. Oh my god! Alright, here. We're just gonna do this for a minute. Oh god, I missed the turn. Hold on. We're gonna come over here in this parking lot. And we're gonna film lightning. At least I'll be closer, so I might be able to see if sirens go by. Where they're going. Possibly. God, why is there always streetlights? Dang, this is some cool shit right here. Holy fuck! Oh, you guys are so lucky if you're still watching this. That was a good one. Alright. Fuck. Fucking hell. I might not do the thing I had to do. I might just film the storm all night. I got extra batteries, extra SD card. I'm set. Oh, fuck, I didn't bring anything to drink, though. Oh, well. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I just grabbed my camera and my batteries and ran out of the house. Holy crap! I'm gonna tilt my camera a little bit this way, because it seemed to come out of the right side a little bit more. Alright, I'm all settled in here. Maybe a little bit more. Yay! So cool! Oh shit. My battery light is flashing at me. Fucking hell. Now I gotta figure out which set of these batteries is the good one. I have 3 extra sets with me, and 2 of them are bad, and 1 of them's good. I don't know which one is which. Dang it. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna say, bye guys, have a good night. And then just wait for the video to stop. And then I'll change the batteries. I don't know how much longer. It could have like another couple minutes. I don't know. I just don't want to stop. Holy crap! Thank you. Thank you that it's still going. That was a good one. Alright, I might just go to the store. I might just go ahead and change the batteries, go to the store, and then see what's going on. It seems to be kind of calming down. There's still pretty cool strikes, but I think I got a lot of the pretty good stuff. And it seems to be moving off to the east. So, if you don't see another video after this, then this was the one for this storm. I'm so happy you got to see it, guys. That's pretty cool. If I hear more sirens, I'm definitely going to go chasing them. See if anything else. Stupid street light is annoying the shit out of me. I'm still just waiting for my camera batteries to die. Wow! Okay, maybe I do. I love this game. Oh, I love this game. What? Look at these poor little motorcycle dudes. Aww. Seems like an odd night to be out riding. least it's not raining right now. Still wet out, but alright, Sky, give me one more good one and then I gotta go. What time is it? Might be too late already. Oh, it's getting close. Oh, dang it. Stupid stores close at 8:30 because of the stupid COVID virus thing. It's 8:14 right now. I don't know if I'll be able to get there in time. Dang it. It's alright. Alright, yeah. I better go. Got 15 minutes. I got stuff I gotta buy. So I'm out. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching this fancy siren lightning video. Holy fuck. You're so lucky. I got that. I'm gonna change the batteries. I might record my drive to the store. Okay, see you in a minute. Bye.